Guarantee that shit was red. Machetes and them choppers out. Bitches when they knock us out. I done fucked them all. That's why I'm standing on Ferraris, nigga. From the corner playing lookout to get your cookouts. Yeah, that's why I'm standing on Ferraris, nigga. In the 6'4", 6'5", too big for a Bugatti. That's why I'm standing on Ferraris, nigga. Top floor to Biltmore. Say they want a raw shit, that's what I'm built for. Lounging, Miami with the eye candy. Bitches named Sandy and Bambi, my exes can't stand me, gone.
$392, back to another video. Y'all hitting that like, subscribe, or comment, go ahead and do that. Today we got a special video, and I think the car will be done after this. Not done, but you know, back to what the 300 was at. So today we're gonna be cutting off the resonators and the mufflers and installing the 5-inch carbon tips. Been waiting, I was waiting a month for the 5-inch tips, so finally got them in. It's about 8 a.m. right now. I'm heading to the muffler shop to get in. Got some things to do today, so I also did a cat delete on it previously, so it's gonna be ready. It's gonna be loud. It's like a 5.7, even louder because it's a 6.4. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm almost at the shop, and let me get a video of them taking it off and, you know, installing everything. So y'all stay tuned. Back at Buc-ee's. Back at Buc-ee's. That's crazy. The 300 was way lower. 300 was way lower. It's too low, huh? This is my car. I'm a YouTuber. Is it possible you might want to ask people if they want to be on there? I already did this before last time I came here. This isn't my first time here. Hopefully, you know, the price is right and we're good. I guess he had a problem with me filming, but I've been here before, so I ain't worried about him. But hopefully we can get these mufflers and resonators on there for the price is right, or mufflers and resonators off and the exhaust tips on. So hopefully we'll see what's going on, so y'all stay tuned for that. So they got me out the door $250. That ain't bad, that ain't bad. In Arizona, they charged me, was it $160? So you know, we in Washington, everything's a little expensive, so we're gonna go ahead and knock this out, and I'm gonna show y'all them doing the work. So, we out. I'm gonna be cutting these bitches full. My man smoking a cig. Said what?
Post online? You're on private property, you've been asked not to?
No, I've already talked to you. I've
It's a
came here before.
violation of personal acts.
I
Okay?
came here before.
I understand, but when you
I'm
have somebody
recording my
that says,
vehicle. I'm a YouTuber, so.
I get it, just understand that when somebody asks you not to and you're on private property,
Yeah.
you're not allowed to. You
No
understand?
one said anything. I talked to the manager. He said, don't point it at him.
Manager has nothing to do with individual's privacy. Okay?
Alright, you ready to bottom? So, started on a resonator. So, it's gonna be a long little video, but I'll get them starting it and finishing it up and get some flybys and whatnot. So, y'all stay tuned. Finishing up with exhaust, 5-inch tips. So finishing up took them about an hour to hour and 30 minutes. So finishing up the hangers, and we're gonna get y'all some revs and flybys and all that. I'm so happy that I got it done. The car is finally done. So y'all stay tuned for that. Oh, you want? I'm sorry. I know y'all been waiting for this video. I'm gonna just do some revs. I got a cold start. I don't drive the vehicle on a daily, so it's been sitting for like 2 or 3 days. So I'm gonna just show y'all. I can't get no flybys. I don't have anyone to take any, rolling shots of me. So y'all just stay tuned for that. I'm gonna just get some revs, a cold start, and stuff like that. Also, too, I copped some Hellcat rims. Y'all haven't seen. I got some Hellcat rims. These are all off of Hellcat too. Only thing that is just some curb rash right there. I mean, that's real easy to fix up. But yeah, I got those for a banging deal. Probably make a video on that. But here's a cold start. That was a cold start, some revs. It's really loud. Cat delete, muffler delete, resonator delete. Did the 5-inch tips on it if y'all haven't saw. But thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. Go and hit that like, that comment, do all that. It's gonna be right there. But I appreciate y'all rocking with me. I'm at 1,200 subs, so 300 more. We're doing a big giveaway, so y'all stay tuned for that. And And man, appreciate y'all watching. Y'all stay easy.